Hello to everyone, good evening. Today in this video we'll see how we can change or find and replace in Notepad. See here, this is a configuration file on MySQL. See, my requirement is I need to change the port number from 3306 to something newer port. When I click on Control plus F on my keyboard, so when I search this, it means it's showing me a lot of occurrences in this notepad. So I want to change this to 0036 to 37 wherever this old port number is there. In this case, this will be useful. So I'm sharing this video so that if you come across such situations, it will be useful for you too. First of all, I'm not going to give the shortcuts directly. I'm on the notepad, click on the edit here and click on find. Okay, or you can say something like find, then click on the replace here, and with this is the finding item and this is the replacing item, and click on replace all. So close this and now try to find 3306. So cannot find 0036. This ensures us that each and every occurrence of this 3306 is replaced. Now you can click on the file save, and yes, that's it. Yeah, I thought this would be useful for someone who is looking just the requirement like me. So I have just uploaded this video, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.